What's up, you guys? My name is Olivia. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you what I am currently doing to bring in more Etsy sales this year. One thing I am doing is looking at my shop stats for each listing, basically like my top seller listings or the ones that are getting a lot of traction. And I'm looking at the listing stats, seeing what shoppers are typing in to find my item. Okay, so for example, if I originally put cool aunt shirt in my title, but on the stats back end, they're typing in retro aunt t-shirt to come across my item and click on my item. So that means that's where the traction is. So that's what I'm going to put into my title. So I'm not going to change the title of the original listing. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate that and then go ahead and update the title. Go ahead and plug in the words and SEO that shoppers are typing in to find that item. So instead of cool aunt shirt, I will put retro t-shirt and whatever other words I see in my stats that I feel like go with that item. Next, I listen to my customers, what they're telling me in Etsy messages or customer service. So basically the custom orders they're asking for, custom requests and or questions they may be asking. And if they're asking that question, clearly I do not offer it, so I can see if I can offer it, and then that can equal a sale and or more sales down the line in near future. Let's say I have a mom shirt on there and they ask for it to be a custom twin mom shirt and for it to say this and that and this and that, or the names of their children or something like that. Then after I have fulfilled their request, I'm going to go ahead and add a new listing into my shop that is similar to what that request was from them, because 9 times out of 10, if they're asking for it, then 100 other shoppers are also looking for it in the market. Another example for this could be, hey, do you offer this shirt in the color pink or the color purple? And let's say my shop only offers the color white, the color gray, the color black. It's up to you, but I am going to go ahead, and if my vendor offers those colors, then yes, I'm going to go ahead and move forward, add a new listing that offers colors pink, purple, and any other colors that were asked for in the Etsy messages from my customer. As I said before, if they're asking for it, 9 times out of 10, other people are asking for it as well and or searching for it on the market. Not everyone's going to come forth and ask for it directly, so I go ahead and put it out and just test it and see what happens. Another thing I am doing is making sure I'm active on my shop at least every other day. So whether it be customer service, replying to customers, and or adding a new listing, and it could just simply be me logging into my Etsy account and checking my shop stat, just checking the sales for the last 30 days or looking at keywords. I just want to let Etsy know that I am being active in my shop some way, shape, or form, because I believe they reward that. Because if you just leave it there and say a whole 7 days has passed and you have not been active in your shop at all, you list something and then you just go incognito for the next 7 days, I feel like it's gonna hurt your shop in the long term. So that's another thing that I do, stay active in my shop. The fourth thing I do is take my best sellers and test it with other audiences. So let's say, for example, if I have a positivity shirt and I'm only marketing it towards people who search positive quote, positive shirt, mental health awareness or something like that, I'm gonna go ahead and take that shirt. If it's a bestseller in that category, I think, well, maybe it could be a bestseller with teachers. You know, maybe they want to uplift their students. So I change the keywords while I duplicate that listing first, and then I change the title of that listing to things that target teachers. So teacher shirt, teacher appreciation shirt, or second grade teacher shirt, fourth grade teacher shirt, things like that. Special education teacher shirt, or Montessori school teacher shirt, things like that. And I test it out. I don't know if it's gonna be a win or a flop, but that's the whole point behind just testing it and seeing, because if it worked in this category, who knows, maybe it'll work in this category and maybe it'll work in the nurse category. So I hope you understand what I'm saying, and that's another thing that I do to attract more sales. Test, test, test. The fifth thing I'm doing is adding more variants to my top sellers and or bestseller listings. Let's go back to the retro aunt t-shirt. So maybe someone comes across the listing and it's a t-shirt, right? But what if they want a sweatshirt and I don't have that in the options to choose? And sometimes people are not gonna go head over heels just to message you. If it's not there, then they'll bounce off of your shop and go to somebody else's shop who does offer a sweatshirt. So now it's my job as the shop owner to just test, and you know, this goes back to when customers ask questions in the Etsy messages. But for the shoppers who are not going to ask these questions directly and just go to other shops, I'm gonna go ahead and put these options in my listing. So for the t-shirt, I have t-shirt, sweatshirt, hoodie, tank, a long sleeve t-shirt. It could be a embroidered hat. It can also be a sticker if they just want a sticker version of my design. Maybe they don't even want a shirt. Maybe they want it on a mug. If I am able to create a mug and I'm open to it, then I will make a mug for them. You know, I'll put that in the variants on the back end of your shop. You can go into your listings, go down to variations, and add these variants at the bottom, or variations in there. This helps the conversion rate of that listing and also the sale volume of this list. And I'll take those variants and basically copy and paste them over to my other top selling listings. Now the listings that aren't selling that well, I don't really honestly pay them any mind, but I will go back and maybe change the image of it or change the keyword. Those are the current things that I am doing right now to attract more sales to my shop. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely comment below if you have any questions and I'll be sure to respond.